Hi there, David, your local electrician in Corby. Today's video, we're installing a couple of extra socket outlets in the lounge and then bedroom upstairs. Let me show you the preparation work that goes on. So you've got all the kit in, covered the area with the sheet and stuff, lasering out the things, make sure we got them in the right place, flip the camera around to see. So there will be a double socket there, and an aerial in this room. We're also going to get rid of that. That's for the internet cabling and stuff. We have a double socket there, and these coming out from a single plate. Got the area covered with dust sheet. Let me show you upstairs. So in here we roll the carpet back up. That socket will be chopped in. An extra double will be installed next to it, and then the double socket there, just the other side of the bed. Going to pop that floorboard up. It's already been cut, and then we're probably going to take all that length up, and yeah. That, just talking across this, look at that, stones glued together, lovely. We'll have to plaster that all in. You brought that because you can't, you can't nicely chop these out, it's just gonna fall. So when it falls, it brings stuff over, but we're going to nicely plaster it back. Yeah. So we'll put some filler in and plaster to keep the boxes in place on them stones. So you've got to wait until that settles a little bit, because if we put a cable in now it will just pull it out. Let it settle, then we'll connect it up, plaster the existing holes in there, up there, skim it properly. But yeah, no, that's all good, all in. Put the junction box over there, floorboards back. So the bedroom, we already put everything what's hoovered up, no mess. All holes botched in. Once that dry, bit of sand in, paint, you won't see anything. Then there's another one, same thing, all patched in, still needs to dry, but it should be just fine as soon as we paint over it. Let's go downstairs. Double socket, machine for the TV. Walking down, just doing the last bit of cleaning. Also double socket there with the aerial, or for the broadband. Everything cleaned out. Yeah. Also, this room's getting decorated anyway. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the like button. We've only got one thing to left. We obviously tested the installation, all done. Certificate left here for the client. Job sorted. See you on the next one.